Congratulations on embarking on your clear aligner treatment journey. Let's go over some simple steps to ensure a successful journey with your aligners. Wear time. Wear your aligners for a minimum of 20 to 22 hours each day. Remove them only for eating, drinking, other than water, brushing, and flossing. Cleaning your aligners. To keep your aligners clean and clear, rinse them with lukewarm water before and after each use. Gently brush them with a soft bristled toothbrush, no toothpaste needed, to remove plaque. Avoid hot water as it will warp the aligners. Eating and drinking. Always remove your aligners before eating or drinking anything other than water. Stay away from sticky or hard foods that could damage your aligners. Oral hygiene. Brush your teeth after each meal before putting your aligners back in. Floss daily to keep your gums healthy. Switching aligners. Follow instructions for switching to the next set of aligners. This is typically every 1 to 2 weeks. A little discomfort is normal, but if the pain persists, be sure to contact us right away. Regular checkups. Keep your scheduled appointments for progress checks. This is a great opportunity to discuss any concerns or discomfort you may be experiencing. Storing your aligners. When you're not wearing your aligners, store them in their protective case to prevent loss or damage. Avoid wrapping them in a napkin as they could be accidentally thrown away. They belong either in your mouth or in the container, nowhere else. Post-treatment care. Once your treatment is complete, you'll need to wear retainers as directed to maintain your beautiful new smile. What to do if you lose or break an aligner? If you accidentally lose or break an aligner, contact us immediately for guidance on your next steps. By following these instructions, you can achieve the fantastic smile you've always dreamed of. Please don't hesitate to call us if you have any questions.